Assalamu alaikum. Today we will do the training for how to do the bed as per our millennium standards. Okay? Our our supervisor Muhammad Zulfattar, he will show us the steps how to prepare the bed. You can start now.
Yeah, okay.
This is single bed,
Yeah,
right?
this is a single bed.
Okay.
And first remove this all linens.
Okay. This is the projector, right?
Yeah.
And this is the duvet.
This is the duvet, this is the duvet cover.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So you separating first.
Yeah, first this one all.
Okay.
One
Separating.
line.
Okay.
This
I'm
one.
your. You train me. Okay.
And
This
after
is
bed sheet.
bed sheet. Okay.
Yeah, remove this bed sheet and
Okay. And you remove also the pillow.
Pillow
Okay.
cover.
So two steps. First, we remove all
All
linen.
linens.
Then we will make the
Make the prepare
with the new
Okay.
with the new linen.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is now without the protector. What?
Yeah, pillow protector.
Okay. Okay. So remove this. So. Okay. There.
First step. Yeah, first after take.
Take out.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So now you remove all dirty linen. So now you will fix the new linen.
New linen.
Prepare the bed. So explain to us what is this the new linen.
Yeah, okay. This one is the new bed sheet.
Okay.
This one new duvet cover. This one pillow cover. New one.
New.
This is the new protector.
For the pillow.
Pillow.
Okay.